This is lesson 12A, part 1, Solfeggio intervals. Now in this piece, we're just basically singing our intervals with the solfeggio syllables. And it's basically a drill, a vocal drill, as well as being able to anticipate what our interval actually is. It starts out with our beat at 60, our metronome speed is 60. So our tempo is at 60, which will be our first 4 beats here, first 4 notes, and it's going to start on that same note. And the first 2 notes here are going to be half notes and then quarter notes. Now, the perfect unison is, of course, all the same note. The major second is going from do to re. So it's do, re, do, re, do, re. And then it's going to go back to do, mi. Remember do, 1, 2, 3, do, re, mi. Do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. And then the perfect fourth, do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, and so forth and so on. Now, when we sing these, each one of these is perfect. These 2 measures here is the interval. So 2 measures for each interval. And this is a great exercise to practice to be able to sing those with the solfeggio syllables. And this is also a drill that I was talking about that will help you to memorize these intervals. Now, one thing I did here with our last slide and this one is I gave us intervals all starting on C. So when we go for a second, it goes from a line to a space, 1 to 2. And then the third goes from a line to a line, 1 to 3. But you can start an interval anywhere. If you started an interval on the first line here, if you count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, from the first line to the third space is 6 steps. That would be the interval of a sixth. So no matter what note that you start on, if you count from line to space to line to space to get to the next note of the interval, then you can identify what interval it is. All right, so I'll play this and we'll sing along with it. And you could practice that with any starting pitch that you want without the recording, and just practice this with your metronome. Remember, metronomeonline.com. That way you have extra practice starting on any note. In this case, it starts on middle C.